Assalamu alaikum class. In this video, we will be discussing courses of action. And if you've done the sample paper, you have probably done some questions on courses of action. So in a courses of action, questions related to courses of action, you are in the first statement given an issue. And then after that first statement, there are two proposed solutions. So what you have to do is to decide and select if any of the two solutions are valid for the or make sense, logical sense for the question that has the issue that has been proposed. So both the solutions could be correct. Either of the one of the two can also be correct, and there's also possibly that neither of the two are correct. So what's the strategy to attempt it? You basically read each solution objectively. This is very important that you stay focused, and we will be discussing this as well in an example, and see if this is within the scope of the argument. So they both mean the same thing kind of. And you should also focus that the solution should not be a generic one. एक जनरल सा नहीं हो कि बस एक ब्लैंकेट बड़ा एक ब्रॉडर सी स्टेटमेंट कर दी गवर्नमेंट शुड मेक मोर एफर्ट. दैट्स लिटिल टू इस तरह के जेनेरिक ना हो. It should be focused. Okay, so let's look at the first example. We discuss a couple of examples. In fact, 3 examples. The first one states the statement that is given, this is the issue, is a large number of people die every year due to drinking polluted water during the summer. And that's the summer issue. So the issue is drinking polluted water. Okay, drinking polluted water during the summer. So you have to stay focused on this. So what action should be taken? The first action that's given is the government should make adequate arrangement to provide safe drinking water to all its citizens. This makes sense. कि भाई safe drinking water देंगे तो solution हो जाएगा, your problem should be solved. Okay. Then the second step is that the people should be educated about the dangers of drinking polluted water. Now, so if the people are educated about the dangers of drinking polluted water, then they will obviously not drink this polluted water or have alternatives to clean that water and so on and so forth. So this can also solve the problem to an extent. So these both can be considered as a solution. So the answer in this case is going to be E. But अगर यहाँ पे if the statement were to say that the government should provide funding, should provide funds, that's it, यही लिखा होता, आगे कुछ ना लिखा होता, so then that would not have been a really good answer because it's not focused on the subject. So इस तरह के generic answers को avoid करेंगे आप. Let's look at the next example. It is reported that though vitamin E present in fresh foods and vegetables is beneficial for human body, capsule vitamin E does not have the same effect on human body. So E does not have the same effect, which means it is not as beneficial. So what is the course of action? Should the sale of capsule vitamin E be banned? This is too extreme. And this is obviously too strongly worded. This is not really a solution. Because if there are some people who do not eat fruits or are allergic or have other reasons, then they will obviously benefit from the capsule. Okay, it may not be as beneficial as the actual fruit, but will still be beneficial. So shouldn't be banned. So this state action doesn't really make sense. Second step, it says people should be encouraged to take fresh fruits and vegetables to meet the body's requirement. Yes, this is something that they can do. You should do. So this is the solution that makes sense, and one does not make sense. So इसलिए B इसका आंसर हो जाएगा, which is second statement. Okay, जी. Last question is the vegetable traders feel that the prices of onion will again go up shortly in the state B. So the traders feel that the price will go up again in state B. So what are the courses of action? The first course is the P state government should purchase and store sufficient quantity of onion in advance to control prices. Okay, so यहाँ पे कह रहा है, the statement says that the prices will go up because prices will go up. बताया भी नहीं क्यों. Okay, so the prices will go up. However, what should the action be? That the government should purchase and store sufficient quantity to control the prices. That makes sense. So first statement to ho gaya. The second statement says the P state, again it's the same state. The P state government should make available network of fair price shops for the sale of onions during the period of shortage. So जहाँ पे shortage होगी and prices increase होंगी, the government should make sure that they have a network to facilitate and make onion available at those shops where the prices are going to be fair and not be increased. So this also is a solution. This is just like the utility stores that we have in Pakistan. So both the statements are solutions in my opinion, and hence the answer is going to be E. Now I'm going to be sharing the handout with you that has some practice questions. Please try those handout, and once you're done with those, you can view the next video to check any answers that you may have confusion with. Thank you guys. Allah Hafiz.